All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the news. Say they don't arrest this guy, General de Yahoo, but there's a problem. And the problem lies in this video.
And if Hopo Uzodimma is denying that he did not have any meeting with Gentle and with my master and not the rest of the commanders, if Hopo Uzodimma swell over this, Hopo Uzodimma must die. And I am standing, making the world and our people to understand the kind of evil man that Hopo Uzodimma is. Standing firmly and standing gidigbam, telling our people this. If Hopo Uzodimma did not have meeting with me and my master, with other commanders, let I not be.
Now, after watching this video, my question is this. Did the Nigerian army arrest General de Yahoo because of all the atrocities when they commit, or because he not start to dey call names? Do you understand? Because as short as this video carry a lot of weight. Carry a lot of weight. This guy, they allege, say go get meeting with the present governor of Imo State, Hope Odidika Uzodimma. Do you understand? And he even went further to say Hope Uzodimma should come out and swear. Now, I'm curious about the kind of meeting that the governor is having with these guys. These guys that are being linked with kidnapping and buying of people. He even went further to say Hope Uzodimma had a meeting with him and other commanders with the master. Boom, now they don't arrest the guy. It's suspicious, right? It's suspicious. Now, what if you say, let's say this guy starts to talk because they don't betray him? Maybe one agreement is not go the way it's supposed to go. But yeah, they say they don't arrest him. But again, another thing is this. Was there really terrorism? Most of these guys now sponsored, they sponsor them. I don't watch, you see this General de Yahoo, and they watching videos steady. You go know say this guy now sponsor, they sponsor him. There's nothing like you go know say they sponsor the guy. Do you understand? You won't know. It's clear on all these videos. Go and watch them. Do you understand? It's clear. Now make it make sense. How did this guy get this?
Uzodimma is denying that he did not have any meeting with Gentle and with my master and not the rest of the commanders. If Hopo Uzodimma swell over this, Hopo Uzodimma must die. And I am standing, making the world and our people to understand the kind of evil man that Hopo Uzodimma is. Standing firmly and standing gidigbam, telling our people